Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the phone. And to get started, you'll want to open up your contacts application, the standalone version of it at least. And from here, you're going to click on these three bars, navigate to settings, where you will find import at the bottom. Select SIM. Give it a second if it's not showing up your contacts right away. And there we go. As you can see, those are all the contacts that are on my SIM card. By default, they will all be selected, so if you don't want all of them, you can deselect some of the contacts like so. From there, click on import, which will import the selected contacts to your contacts list. And there we go. I'm going to quickly check one more thing in there. So there is no option to import to a different location. So there we go. Now sometimes depending on what app you use, some of the Google Contacts app actually have a option to switch where it imports the contacts, but as you can see, I don't have that. It's usually right where the actual account icon is for some reason. So anyway, that being said, this is how you can import your contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.